I just tried to throw it at me and missed.
Okay, folks, it's been a while since I've been to Beach Boulevard. Actually, a few months, I think. So, I'm curious to see how active it is. It's 11:39, Friday, May 8th. So, without further ado, let's see what we can find. Yeah, this area is dead. There's usually a bunch of them here. And here's the classic liquor store. Here we go. Sometimes all the action moves south this way. Back here at Adventure City. And here's the famous TJ Showgirls. Yeah, is that the bouncer? Ooh. Okay, here's a spot where you can find them. And what do you know? The guy in the car probably notices me. Gotta watch out. Here it is. The Lapico Mini Mart. It's usually lit up. I thought they leave the lights on. No, it's just dark. That's Street Fighter. Just heard a suspicious whistle. I don't know if that picked up on camera. I can't whistle very good. But it was like three whistles in a row. Oh shit, a possum. I don't know if this throws enough light, but there he goes. Yeah, I don't know if this throws enough light. Here's auto parts. This place. And I think the Army Navy's over there. Oh, check this out. Here's a spot where you'll usually find them, but they put a police camera. So as you can see, they're conspicuously absent from this street. And there it is. That's where they usually stand. I guess the cops put up a camera. Okay, just a quick look at what's down here. Ah, some signs of activity. Nothing too crazy. Our old friend, the Chester Inn. Looks very quiet at the Chester Inn Motel. Ah, here's the bank with its glowing ATM. Okay, check this out. It looks like they're remodeling. They have some sort of like metal structure, scaffolding exposed. Yeah, look at that. I wonder what store this is going to become. It was once a Food for Less. Now it's closed. The last thing you want to do is live in a food desert. Where you got to jump on the old freeway just to get some groceries. Okay, here I am at the Chevron, an extra mile food mart. Let's see. Oh, this must be one of the friendly shopkeepers. They don't notice me, they don't notice me. Haha. Or no, I think that was a customer, I can't tell. Look. I don't want them to think that I'm stealing their stuff, but here it is. A little bit of activity. I don't think that's one of them. And here's the you-know-what store. What an appropriate place to set up a you-know-what store. Must I blur this out? Must I blur this out? Oh man. There's some chick just standing there smoking a cigarette. There's some guy in a white shirt. I guess I'll just skedaddle. Okay, and I'm back at Cerritos and Beach Boulevard. And here's the 7-Eleven at Cerritos and Beach Boulevard. Pretty much nothing going on. No activity at the indoor swap meet at 12:12 midnight, Saturday, May 9th. So it is now officially May 9th. Take a quick look at the horsies. Which one's your favorite? Vote in the comment section. What's that? They couldn't be yelling at me. And there's another one. Whoa, somebody was yelling something.
They just trying to throw it at me and miss. They just trying to throw it at me and miss.
Oh, yeah, he threw something. I thought he was throwing it. It was nowhere near me, so he wasn't throwing it at me. Yeah, he's throwing it at her. Holy fuck. And that's right next to the Casa Playa. And here it is, Beach Boulevard. I mean Beach and Ball at 12:17 after midnight. I think I found where they all are. They're just south of Beach and Ball. Not so much north. Excuse me, sir. Well, when I said, excuse me, sir, I swear that guy said, fuck you. Man, them tweakers are uppity. I hope he's not pulling a gun out and aiming it at me right now. And here it is, where the covered wagon and Rainbow Inn used to be. As you can see, it's no more. And this is the Motel Moonlight. No, not too much going on. And they got nice blinking lights. A cat, I'll try not to scare the cat. Look, the Villa Inn. And we might be approaching the anniversary of the shooting that happened here. I think it was June, but yeah, not too long. Okay, batting cage. Basic stuff, basic stuff. And then here is the Beachside Inn. I just accidentally rolled up on somebody. When I said Beachside Inn, that guy looked up. He's like, huh? Okay, and that was Beach Boulevard near Beach and Ball. I haven't been here in a long time, so it's nice to see that it's still active, particularly north of Beach and Ball. It's actually pretty active. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it. Cheers.